Hey Harley, finally got a chance to take your video and pictures. Anyway, here it is. All the doors open. Utility body. So used as a little, like a rolling toolbox for around the property. There's the back of the bed. No rust, just dirty a little bit. But that top slides all the way back and locks and closes. I don't have the key for it, but you could unbolt that instead of put a dump body back here. I never towed anything with it. I just put that trailer bolt. That's my hitch I put in there. Didn't have one. It came with it. So all the boxes in decent shape. Just got some tools in there. The old lock. I changed the locks on a couple of them. These I didn't change. These side ones. These back ones. And I don't have a lock for the back here. But anyway, so it starts up no problem. Here's the interior. Pop this off. I had this replaced with galvanized. You can see underneath it's galvanized under there. A little rust there. The other side's got to be done yet. Seat's got to rip. The rest of the interior is pretty decent. Hey. There's the rest of the interior. I just turned the key halfway, man. It starts right up. Radio works. It has AC. Probably got to be charged. Everything else works. Heat and all that. But so old diesels smoke a little bit when they first start up, but it clears up. So I didn't even bolt the seat down yet because I didn't finish doing it. I wanted to bed liner be underneath. Once I did the other side, there it is running. I think it needs a muffler, I'm not sure. It's got some surface rust right here, but just surface rust. The frame's solid. Under here, see where it's got to be done. It does have a new oil pan. There's the other interior. Let me see. It's starting up like any diesel, it'll smoke a little bit. But good thing is it doesn't have that new DEF, DPF stuff. That 2012 Kenworth, nothing but problems. Non-emissions, diesel, full drive. The battery box has a little rust on it, there's that. But the frame's solid. There's the new oil pan. Needs a tailpipe. It's okay, needs a tailpipe. It's just got surface rust on it. Said, real fine. Real fine. Ain't gonna mean no speed contest, but man, we're just gonna find a diesel dually full drive cab over a Japanese truck, right? All right, man, that's it. Top of the cab is decent. Like I said, drove it almost 3 hours from there, ran fine, and just had it around the property. All right, that's it.